Electronics devices and circuit second. This is your syllabus. First one we discuss multi-stage transistor amplifier. Next your audio power amplifier. Next feedback amplifier. Next one operational amplifier. And fifth one is the sinusoidal oscillator. Next move to the tune voltage amplifier. Last your optical electronics devices and their application. Okay. First we start multi-stage transistor amplifier. The multi-stage transistor amplifier, we first go to your introduction, that is written work in this page. What is amplifier? Amplifier is a device which increases the power of its input signal, that is output power is much greater than the input power. Means output power must be greater than the input power, that is the power amplifier. Gain in decibel calculation, these are the relation to calculate the gain, that is the voltage gain. Use relation 20 log V2 upon V1. This is the current gain, this was the relation, and power gain, this was the relation. Here you note that this comes to the 10 log in voltage and current, this comes to 20 and 24. Amplification can be obtained from a single stage transistor amplifier. This means if we use single transistor, then it can amplify your signal. This is your introduction of common emitter amplifier. Single stage means single transistor used and their component. If two transistor used, two stage, three transistor used, three stage. That's why it's named multi-stage if n number of transistor used. We have already studied the common base, common emitter, common collector. This one is the common emitter used for amplification purpose. The advantage of common emitter is that power gain is more as compared to common base and common collector. The property of common emitter is the larger power gain, one of the most important common emitter amplifier, and the phase shift 180 degree, input to output 180 degree phase shift. Okay, this is the circuit of common emitter amplifier. This is also a single stage common emitter amplifier. Single stage means single transistor using in this circuitry. These are the biasing component, R1, R2 and RE. These are the biasing component. This is the your coupling capacitor in input side, and this is also coupling capacitor output side. This is the emitter bypass capacitance. This is the input. If you give input here, then output come this side. Overall, this is amplifier, then increase your input signal level strength in output side. These are circuit only for the introduction of single stage amplifier. Next, move here your application of common emitter amplifier, audio amplifier, and the microphone, radio and music player. Here you see the definition. What is the voltage gain? Voltage gain is the ratio of output voltage to input voltage, that is the voltage gain. Next, move to the current gain. Current is the output current to the input current. These are the parameters in common emitter amplifier. Input impedance means voltage upon current ratio in input side of transistor. We know that R is equal to V upon I. If B in if BC in the input side of transistor, the ratio of voltage to current, that is gives you input impedance. Similar way, output impedance is output voltage upon input output current, that is give you output voltage. Similar way, R of simple representation, B output upon I output, means output voltage upon input current, that is give you output impedance. Next, move to your introduction. The point that described in above pages, that is single stage amplifier. This is understood right now. What is mean the single stage amplifier? Next, to move multi-stage transistor amplifier. In multi-stage, already we know that if more number of transistor used is connected in cascaded form, then formation of this type of amplifier is called multi-stage. Similar is written there. A transistor circuit in which number of amplifier stages are increased in succession. Succession means one by one transistor connected in cascaded manner. That is called multi-stage. Also, this is also called cascaded amplifier. Means multi-stage transistor is also called cascaded amplifier. In this multi-stage, this describes one stage connected to the input of the next stage through a suitable coupling devices. Means if you connect one stage to connect to the next stage, use a coupling devices between these one transistor and second transistor. Between each connection, they are used coupling devices. Okay. Also, we see here first stage, second stage, third stage, n number of stages. Suppose two stage amplifier means one stage this and second stage this, that is called two stage. Suppose three stage amplifier, first, second and third, three transistors are connected in cascaded way. For connection first stage to second stage, that is use coupling devices. This is the coupling devices. And second to third also use the coupling devices. Overall means connected from one stage to second stage, there you use a coupling devices. The purpose of coupling devices is that to transfer only AC output of one stage to the input of next stage. Means whatever first stage is amplify signal. Suppose here you apply the input signal AC as the input signal, then this transistor or first stage amplifier is amplify this signal, amplitude increases. Again this move to the second stage, also this second stage amplifier also amplify this signal. This is now input from this stage, then more amplitude are increases. In this way, overall gain of input waveform is increases. The coupling devices, the purpose of coupling devices you see here, to increase only AC output of one stage to input to the next stage. AC output means this is the AC waveform. Your input signal is AC type waveform. This is amplified to the next stage. Also, to the function of the coupling device is to block the DC component. Means the purpose of amplifier is the amplify the AC signals. No, the blocking of DC component means not any component move from one stage to second stage. DC is not desirable for amplification. Only AC is advantage for amplification. Overall means you amplify the AC signal. That's why we block the DC component. Coupling devices are three types we use. That is, one is the RC coupling, second is the transformer coupling, and third is the direct coupling. RC coupling also called voltage amplifier, transformer coupling also called power amplifier, and direct coupling also called the DC amplifier. We see the next lecture, three types of coupling and their property, characteristic, and their circuitry. Okay, for today, end of our lecture.